Hi, my name is Zane. I'm a Teen Insight Facilitator, and I'm really excited to announce that this December 27th and 28th, there will be a 2-day workshop all about anxiety. Anxiety is something that I have dealt with a lot in my life, and what I've come to learn is that anxiety is not necessarily something to beat or get rid of or not experience. In fact, it's almost like anxiety really is just part of being human. These 2 days are going to be all about exploring what that means, what it looks like to experience anxiety and maybe even have a good time working with it. There's going to be a lot of laughter, a lot of fun, a lot of games, and an opportunity for all of you to really walk away with tools that you can use in your life whenever anxiety comes up. I hope you come. It's going to be so much fun. I'll see you there.